That's right. Come here.
Can you walk in it?
Besides, I can go backwards.
Show your brother how you do it.
What's that? And drive it.
And drive it.
Yep, and see that.
I might need to take it up a notch.
Yeah, it's a little low.
Where's the driving?
You gonna show her how you drive it? Yeah, there she goes.
Whee!
Whee!
Am I doing now?
No, that you're too big.
I need to that.
You need a turn?
now, Tom.
That's Letty's now.
Not my man.
You're too big, silly boy.
No!
You just gotta show your sister.
I need to go in there and Grandma said I need to.
Oh, Grandma said?
Yeah. Grandma said I need to.
Grandma said you need to.
Yeah. Grandma say no. And my turn.
Hi, honey.
Wow!
Careful with her.